Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost on Instagram using your Android phone. So if you want to know how to repost on Instagram, just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Instagram. Choose the post you want to repost. For example, this one, just tap the airplane-like icon and click Add Post to your story. As you can see here, there is a credit to the owner, so you will not copyright the photo. And click Send to, and beside your story, click Share and tap Done. Tap your story, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!